What's up everybody, and welcome back to another video on my YouTube. So I don't even know why I started it like that, but anyways, today we're gonna be putting on the bonnet for my car because the one that's on it right now, for one, the paint is stripping, two, it's leaned over to the side, and three, I don't like that, feel me? So I'm gonna change it. I do have the new bonnet. It is right here in front of me. Yeah, so I'll hit y'all back up when it's time to put that boy on. Okay, so yeah, so there is a few things with the bonnet that are like a little bit of throw off. For one, it has a dent in it, so we're gonna have to fix that. I have to buy a repair tool. Is that the oil thing that you got? So this is what's wrong with the old one. The latch is bent, so I don't know if that's why it kind of like sits over to this side, which I don't like. But the latch is bent, the paint is stripping, and yeah. So I'm gonna take it off, and then we're gonna get the new one on. Okay, so it's a pretty simple process. It's just 4 10 mils screws, and then you just take it off. So I unscrewed it, the latches are down, and boom, out the old. I'm gonna get the new one and then line it up and put it on. So the new one fits. Let me show you. So this is how it's gonna look. It's a lot better than that one, I can tell you that. I like the black. Shit. Alright, well, I'm gonna just screw on the 4 10 mils, and then hopefully I get it straight the first time. Okay, so I'm home, and yeah, we got a little bit of a problem. So this is the dent that I'm talking about, that dent right there. But the problem is that I'm having is I have a gap here and there's not one right here. So my theory is because, like, if you look at the light here, there's kind of a lip, but the bumper doesn't sit flush. If you look here, it kind of like moved over. So I'm guessing because like the bumper is not put on properly, it's messing with it. Because right here, I think it's more flush, and this is how it's supposed to sit, with a little bit of breeze to go through. But over here, if you realize, here's flush, and then right here, it comes down. It kind of like pushes itself down too much and not go over as much. So I'm gonna get that fixed once I figure out how to fix it. Well, until then, it's actually not bad. It looks good. It needs to be wiped down and shit and painted, but yeah. So yeah, good job. I hope y'all did enjoy this video. I know it wasn't a lot and it was pretty short or whatever, but I got a longer video coming for y'all with a better, more mods. But alright, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.